7th grade test 2018. From information given in the exposition, the reader can conclude that Michael and Teresa will start to date. Victor and Michael's families are not wealthy. Victor will end up hating the 7th grade. Which word best characterizes Victor? Sad, stubborn, confident. What does the following line tell us about Victor? Teresa is going to be my girl this year, he promised himself. He is excited about 7th grade. He wishes Teresa would be his girlfriend. He is confident because he promised himself Teresa would be his girl. When the author says he managed to catch her eye, this is an example of what figurative language and means what. Idiom, and he was trying to get her attention. Metaphor, and he actually caught her eye. Simile, and he thought her eye looked cool. When Victor decides he is going to like 7th grade and goes to the library to check out books, this is what element of the plot? Exposition, climax, resolution, following action. The main conflict in this story is what? Michael and Victor are fighting over a girl. Victor is trying to have a great year in the 7th grade. Victor is trying to get Teresa to notice him. What is the climax in 7th grade? Mr. Bueller, the French teacher, realizes that Victor is pretending to know French but doesn't give up his secret in front of the class. In class, Victor actually accidentally gives Teresa's name as an example of a noun. Teresa tells Victor she didn't know he spoke French and asks him to tutor her. The exposition in the story is, it's Victor's first day of 7th grade and he likes a girl named Teresa. Victor reports to homeroom and gets his class schedule. On his way to first period, Victor speaks to Teresa but thinks what he said sounded stupid. Which word best characterizes Mr. Bueller? Affectionate, intellectual, and pathetic. Great rose bushes of red bloomed on Victor's cheeks. What does this statement mean? Victor felt scared about being in French class with his crush Teresa. Victor is excited that Teresa has asked him to tutor her in French. Victor is embarrassed because he feels as if he made a fool of himself speaking French in class. Which word best characterizes Michael? Cruel, fake, planner. Which of the following is not a theme of 7th grade? Be careful who your friends are. Taking risks can lead you to your goals. People do crazy things for love. Which line best shows that Mr. Bueller wasn't going to reveal that Victor didn't know French? Oh, please don't say anything, Victor pleaded with his eyes. He remembered his college years when he dated a girlfriend in borrowed cars. Mr. Bueller shuffled through the papers on his desk. He smiled and hummed as he sat down to work. Why did Victor want to take French? Check all that apply. He wanted to one day travel to France. He wanted to see the people, churches, and cooler weather. Teresa was taking French. He already spoke Spanish. He really liked French and wanted to take it. Which statement best describes how Victor feels about math? He doesn't like it. It is his favorite class. It is confusing to him. Picking grapes was like living in Siberia, except hot and more boring. What does this statement mean? Pick the one that best describes. Picking grapes was difficult. Picking grapes was boring and hot. Picking grapes was hard because it was cold. What does the following line from the story mean? The rosebuds of shame on his face became bouquets of love. Victor's embarrassment has turned to sadness. Victor loves flowers and wants to give them to Teresa. Victor's feeling of humiliation has turned to enthusiasm. What is another word for how Victor felt when he was sweaty with shame? What is a synonym for shame? Humiliated, nervous, sad. In paragraph 33, Victor lowered his eyes, pretending to study. What does this reveal about him? Pick the best answer. He is waiting for Teresa. He wants to be near Teresa, but doesn't want her to know that. He doesn't know how to approach her. He is trying to get Teresa's attention. Victor is trying to get Teresa's attention because he wants her to be his girl. Exposition, rising action, climax, resolution. Victor is relieved to find out that Teresa thinks he really knows French. What part of the plot is this? Exposition, climax, falling action. What point of view is this story told? First person, second person, third person. How does Victor's thoughts about 7th grade change throughout the story? They do not change. He feels excited throughout the whole story. He feels confident. It changes to embarrassed and then excited by the end. He feels confident in the beginning and then it changes to embarrassed. Why did Mr. Bueller not let on that Victor didn't know French? He could empathize with Victor because in college he tried to impress a girl. He wanted to be a cool teacher and not tell on him. He didn't really care and was too busy sitting down to work. Which line from the story best shows imagery? I ain't making a face essay. Mr. Belton spoke over the crackling loudspeaker. Michael thinks making a face makes him handsome. Which line from the story uses personification? The small triangle-shaped campus bustled with students. It was confusing like the inside of a watch. The students herded noisily through the door. What does the following figurative language in the sentence mean? The small triangle-shaped campus bustled with students. Students were fighting each other. The campus was moving around. The campus was alive and animated with students. Which is the best summary for this story? It is the first day of 7th grade. Victor is excited because he wants to get Teresa to be his girl. He takes French class to be in the same class with her. He acts like he knows French and gets embarrassed in class thinking he has blown his chance with her. The teacher doesn't let on that he doesn't know French, and Teresa asks Victor to tutor him. It is the first day of 7th grade. Victor and Michael meet each other and talk about their summer and what classes they are taking. Victor tells that he is taking French class. Victor is trying to get Teresa's attention and ends up volunteering in French class where he makes a fool of himself. He thinks he has ruined his chance on making a good impression with Teresa. Mr. Bueller doesn't end up saying that he doesn't really know French, and Teresa thinks he is good at it and asks him to tutor her. It is the first day of 7th grade. Victor wants to impress Teresa. He volunteers to speak French and doesn't do well. Which words best describe Teresa's character? Check all that apply. Sweet, studious, mean, indifferent. What can you infer from the following sentence? They talked about recent movies, baseball, their parents, and the horrors of picking grapes in order to buy their fall clothes. Michael and Victor worked in the summer picking grapes. Michael and Victor didn't like to pick grapes. Michael and Victor's families were not wealthy because they had to pick grapes in order to have money to buy school clothes. What does the following sentence tell you about Michael and Victor? The two friends socked each other in the arm and went their ways. Michael and Victor were fighting with each other. Michael and Victor are friends who like to tease each other. Michael and Victor used to be friends but are now in a fight. Why did Michael scowl? Pick the best answer. He wanted to look cool. He wanted to look mean. He thought it would get girls. How did Victor get Teresa's attention? He bumped into her in the hallway. He waited for her to leave class and hurried to the door where he caught her eye. He called her name.